Lok Sabha MP Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took to X to express serious concerns about India's energy security amid escalating global tensions. He highlighted that over 40% of India's oil imports pass through the Strait of Hormuz, making the country highly vulnerable to disruptions, with LPG and LNG supplies facing even greater risk. Gandhi also indicated that the recent sinking of an Iranian warship in the Indian Ocean was a matter of concern, emphasizing that the conflict is now closer to India's shores. He criticized the government, stating that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has remained silent on these developments. According to Gandhi, at a time when India faces mounting geopolitical and energy challenges, the nation requires strong and decisive leadership. He accused the current Prime Minister of compromising India's strategic autonomy, implying that the government's approach has left the country exposed to global risks.